Step 3. Formatting your site's layout. Welcome to the third video on creating and developing an e-portfolio for the Graduation with Leadership Distinction program at the University of South Carolina. The goal of this video is to teach you to format your site by editing the site layout, modifying the sidebar and horizontal navigation menus, and editing the site's header and footer. Starting from sites.google.com, click on the name of the site you created for your e-portfolio. Click on the gear or wheel icon for more actions and find Edit Site Layout right above Manage Site and click on that. This page gives you four options at the top of the screen: header, horizontal navigation, sidebar, and custom footer. It's subtle, but you can see that three of them are highlighted. If you click on header, for instance, it will no longer be highlighted and the title of your page will disappear. This is how you toggle these functions on and off. To edit the sidebar, move your mouse to hover over the navigation menu underneath the box that says Sidebar. A navigation title box will appear with a conversation box at the bottom that says Edit Sidebar Menu. If you click on the navigation title box, a window will open called Configure Navigation. Please note that in order to complete this step, you will need to add all of your pages and subpages to your website first. If you haven't done so and would like to learn how, please see Step 2, Adding Pages, Subpages, Links, and Images. By default, a box is checked that says Display Title. The title is Navigation now and can be changed if you'd like, and one that says Automatically Organize My Navigation. This default setting will organize your pages in alphabetical order. For the GLD ePortfolio, we'd like to set up our own navigation, so uncheck this box. The window opens up to show another box that says Select Pages to Show. Right now there are no pages in this window, but there is a little Add Page link at the bottom. Click that. Another window will open that says Select Page to Add. Below that you'll see your site map. It doesn't matter what order you select your pages in, but you will have to select them one at a time. Select one of the pages and click OK. Follow this step for all the pages you'd like to include in your sidebar. Now that all of your pages are listed in the Select Pages to Show window, you can rearrange them. Notice that there are little gray arrows and a small gray trash can icon to the right of that window. To rearrange your pages, select the page you'd like to move and click the up or down arrows. To make each individual Insight page, Insight 1, Insight 2, etc., a subpage to the Insights page, select the Insight, so Insight 1, and click the right pointing arrow. When you've arranged the pages and subpages the way that you want them to look in your sidebar, click OK. Pay attention to the little yellow box at the top of the screen to make sure your changes have been saved. If you would prefer for your site to have a horizontal navigation bar across the top instead of down the left side of the page, you can toggle on the horizontal navigation bar at the top of the screen. Make sure that you toggle off the sidebar unless you want both of them on your site, but both of them serve the same purpose, so you really only need one. The only link that will show at first will be your About Me page, the home page of your site. To edit the horizontal navigation bar, hover over it the same way you did to edit the sidebar. Another conversation box will appear that says Edit Horizontal Navigation, and it will open the Configure Navigation window. You'll see the same Select Pages to Show box that appears when you edit the sidebar, and the process for arranging the pages is the same. Add each page and use the arrows to move them around. Remember that your individual Insights pages should be subpages to the main Insights page. You can do this by using the right pointing arrows. When you've arranged the pages and subpages the way you want them to look in the horizontal navigation bar, click OK. Pay attention to the little yellow box at the top of the screen to make sure your changes have been saved. To edit the header of your site, hover your mouse over the area where the title of your page and the Search This Site bar is located. It will highlight in a little blue color, and another conversation box that says Edit Site Header will appear. Click on the header and the Configure Site Header box will appear. Depending on the type of header in the template or theme you're using, you may want to change the height of the header. If you have an image or logo in your header, you can leave the horizontal and vertical alignment of the logo as it is in the theme or template, or you can adjust it here. You can also upload a custom logo or choose not to have one at all. Any logos or images that you add will need to be edited and resized prior to uploading it here. Click OK. Look for the yellow box at the top of the page to tell you that your changes have been saved. To edit the footer, confirm that Custom Footer is toggled on at the top of the screen. Hover over the footer at the bottom of the page and the little box will appear again that says Edit Custom Footer. Click on the footer and the Edit Site Footer window will appear. This box has many of the same editing features as a page on your website does. You can add text or images here, whatever you'd like, but be aware that the header and the footer appear on every page of your site. Click OK when you've edited your footer. Look for the yellow box at the top of the page to tell that your changes have been saved. If you're building a site from scratch, some of your pages may have the option for comments at the bottom. For your ePortfolio, you won't need this function. To fix this, click Close at the top right-hand corner of the screen to exit the layout editor. Click on the gear or wheel, the More Actions icon, and select Page Settings. The Page Settings window will open with a few different options for the settings on your site. The fourth option is Allow Comments. Ensure that this box is unchecked for each of your pages on your site and click Save.